So for the problem, we will do the exercise number 8. Problem is welding system. A welding system with pressure regulator is needed to join a continuous polymer sheet for tubing. One button can be used for a single operation, while another button can be pressed for a continuous operation. There's a delayed period for the forward motion, and retraction can only happen if the required pressure has been reached. Now we will put first the compressor and next the service unit. So next we will have the 3/2 way valve push button, and it will serve as the master switch of the whole simulation. It is the on and off switch of the other 3/2 way valve with push buttons for the double acting cylinder to move forward and to retract. So we'll just set up 7 next.
And then we're going to have a first switch. This switch is a 3/2 way valve with push button, and then a 5/2 way valve with selection switch. First, we need to connect the compressor to the ASU and ASU to the safety switch. Let's organize. Let's connect the safety switch to the first switch. Now drag and drop the shuttle valve in the middle of top middle part of switch 1 and switch 2. Connect. Let's organize. Let's connect switch 1 to the shuttle valve and shuttle valve to the switch 2. Then let's connect the switch 2 to the main air service unit. After that, drag and drop the 2 pressure valve. And connect it with the SV. Now let's have the time delay valve normally close. And then connect it with the 2 pressure valve. And then to the air service unit. Now let's have another switch, which we will name the A1. Now let's organize so that there is more working space for the next parts.
Now we will put the 5/2 way impulse valve, and we will connect it from the 2 pressure valve. Then we will put a pressure impulse valve and we will connect it from the 2-way impulse valve. And we will add the air service unit connecting from the pressure valve sequence and the main air service unit.
We input pressure control with manometer. And connect it to a 5/2-way impulse valve. Next is we place a one-way flow control valve above the impulse valve. We rotate it and use a value of 70. We organize, and now we place a double acting cylinder. And lastly, a manometer. Then we connect the cylinder to the one-way valve and to the manometer. For the distance rule, for A1, we use a value of 100 and 100 for A2 and 0 for A1.
So next thing is that we will show the parts list, which there we can see the different parts that's been used through the whole simulation. After that, it is labeled according to its appropriate acronym of the parts.
Now we will try the simulation if this is working. For this simulation, we have two switches, which are 3/2-way valve with push button and 5/2-way valve with selection switch. The 3/2-way valve with push button is for 1 second only, while the 5/2-way valve with selection switch is a continuous loop which won't stop until it's turned off.